we have got access to a helicopter from a private company, and that enabled me to come down. We flew over St. Elizabeth, had a look at the terrible damage. We landed in White House, which is where we are now. We visited also Burnt Savannah, and we flew Massab and other communities. Darlington. The devastation is terrible in Westmoreland. Trying to the people are really desperate. They need water and they need food. There are many communities that are still cut off, and where we need to open them up after they can have some sort of comfort and assistance. So this is the time now to really rev up the assistance, get it deployed into the communities. Work with the members of parliament because they know where the needs are. Work with the churches, work with the NGOs that want to help, so we can put full force national effort with international support behind saving our country and rebuilding our country. Savannah, we've come down to see the situation here. I know you are suffering badly as I've flown over the community and I see the damage that has been done. I'll be working with your MP, Ian Hills, to see what we can do to make life easier. I know you need water. I know you need power near the area.
Come on.
Immediate issue, so we have to work on that. And we'll be pressuring the government so they don't forget Westmoreland, they don't forget Burnt Savannah, and that we can try to get back to a normal life as quickly as possible.
The opposition for showing up today, and the General Secretary, who is a member of Parliament of this Westmoreland also. And the people need food, they need water, they need everything. It's total destruction, total disaster.
So hold straight, be positive, believe in our God, and everything will be alright.
So we're here in White House, with the lead of the opposition, MP Mark Gordon, was here today to do clearance for really. That's the part, to see the extent of the damage. I want to go on the record again to say that the hurricane made landfall in eastern Westmoreland. The new roof in the White House did it that. I said this went across to the Darlington division and the special South division. So it's all the constituencies is Jamaica. Greatest damage next to the eastern Westmoreland. And it is as a result of that we need special attention.
This ramp is going to be sling loading capabilities. So as we bring in the intel from every single inaccessible area, we're going to be putting this into maps and demographics. We're going to build packages specifically for every single neighborhood or community that has needs, and those packages are going to be tailored to the people of that place. And then have been nets underneath the helicopters. The helicopters can connect to them from by air, cargo, under the helicopters, and drop those slings into different areas of the country. So that's what's currently in process
This is
now.
medical support, primarily.
Medical, also medical's the initial, but it's also all the humanitarian needs. So generators, communication supplies, food, water.
But I'm coming right from simply the worst of the
Yes. Yes.
White House, Burnt Savannah,
Yes.
Nova Darlington, Black River. And we talk to the people.
Yes.
And what they're calling for is food, water, and power source.
Absolutely.
I just somebody just sent me this from a school.
Yes. Yes.
She's an anesthetist at Savannah Hospital.
Yes.
Devastated by this. Says the parish is maroon, that's not getting out. She says that the parish and the hospital are usually overlooked. That's where I'm coming from.
Yes.
No AC in the operating theatre. Both central AC units destroyed, no light, despite the generator due to some electrical damage. So they have a generator, but the
Yes.
operating rooms, there's no electricity in there.
This hospital, what's the name of it?
Savannah.
I have a team in Savannah Lamar today performing an assessment to get all of these items and these needs, to bring this data back, to get this back out to those people right now.
I'm committed to working, if I'm allowed, with the government but in a joint effort to make it happen. The people are very happy to see us, and I think we should be facilitated so that we can get them a sense of hope as well. that we're not forsaking them, that they matter, and that they're going to get support. And that's the message I've been bringing today.